Today we are looking at a solid piece of kit. The reason I could say solid, I've reviewed many IMOU security cameras. I actually have a playlist on my channel. I'll link it in the iCard and in the description box below if you're interested. The cameras are well made with good image quality and the app is really easy to use. I expect this to be the same. So this is the Cell Go 2K 3 megapixel outdoor security camera. Now IMOU were kind enough to send a solar panel. However, if you just want the camera, you could get the camera by itself. The advantage of having the panel, if you live in a sunny country, you do not need to worry about charging the camera. The camera does have a 5000 milliamp hour built-in battery. Make sure to fully charge the camera before you mount it outside. And depending on how much motion the camera picks up, the battery should last a few months. As always, link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. So you can see there's some information on this camera. It's 100% wire-free, human detection, and the panel is up to 3 watts, IP65, weatherproof. This does work with Alexa. Some more information on this side. You could pause the video there if you want. A QR code there to download the app. You could download it in the App Store or Google Play. And to connect this camera up is so simple. Some more information at the back. Quick start guide. Mounting template. Some more paperwork for the quick start guide here. So this will have all the information regarding the camera. The panel, mounting thread there. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this cable is 2 foot in length. Micro USB connection there. That's the bracket for the panel. It's got the 3 holes there. And you can see you can adjust the panel as well. That will just go in the back of there. You could mount the camera using this sticky tape if you want. A type A to micro USB cable. Mounting hardware for the panel. Mounting hardware for the camera. The mount for the camera. That's the plate for the camera. It's on first, and then you would put this on and the camera would sit on here, and that little screw will go in there. Speakers at the back. This has 2-way audio and it has a siren built in as well. The mounting thread there for the bracket that would screw in there. If I remove this, we have the micro USB port there. The camera lens, and as I mentioned before, it records in 2K up to 3 megapixel, and you can zoom in 8 times as well. PIR motion sensor, and as it said in the box, this has human detection. It will reduce false alarms. That's some sort of sensor. We have a microphone there. We have another light indicator there as well. At the bottom where my thumb is, we have a QR code there. Power on off. This is a reset button, and it also is a vlog mode because the camera has 4 gigabytes of built-in onboard storage. I'm not really sure about that, because just imagine if you're out and you're vlogging with a security camera, that's a joke in itself. But I think IMOU are just emphasizing that the camera has 4 gigabytes of storage for you to use for free. And IMOU are right to emphasize on that point, because if you look at my channel, I have reviewed many cameras. From the top of my head, I think there were only 2 cameras that I've reviewed that had onboard storage. This camera does come with 1 year's free cloud storage, after which you will need to pay for a subscription if you want to carry on using the cloud storage. If you don't want to use the cloud storage, you've still got the 4 gigabyte onboard storage. Let's link the camera to the app. green indicator has come on. So I'll go to add, allow. So I'm just scan the QR code at the bottom of the camera. Okay, so I need to put my Wi-Fi password in. I'll quickly do this off camera. I entered my Wi-Fi details and it connected up really fast. It asked me to put my Bluetooth on. I put my Bluetooth on and then it counted from 0 to 100 really fast. Now it's letting me know I need to update the firmware. It's very important you do this. When you update the firmware, the camera will lose connection. As you can see there, the light is going from green to red. Let's have a quick look at the app. Looking at the image, if I pinch to zoom in, you could zoom in 8 times, then the quality does get quite bad. Pinch to zoom back out. We have the speaker here, record button. If I press record, this recording will get saved into the gallery. Microphone, picture, again that will get saved in the gallery. 2K, that's resolution, so you could do 2K, 1080 or 480. This depends on how strong your internet or mobile data is. Siren, so next to that, that will turn the camera lens off. Tap on that and it will come back on. Performance mode, we have vlog mode. If I click on this, it's letting us know what it will do. If I click on the gear cog, battery percentage and Wi-Fi. Notifications, we have detection settings. That's on, motion detection. So human detection, quite good at spotting human from say trees or rubbish moving around. You don't get many false notifications from these. Well, I personally haven't anyway. We have detection range here, close, medium or far. Local storage, lapse, battery. Again, the mode where it will turn the lens off. Siren. So you can have the siren and alarm come on at the same time if you want. Network time, go to more, status LED. So you could turn the LED off if you want. You will not receive alarm messages. It will still record. Beep, you could turn that off as well. Sleep mode. And then we have some other settings here as well. It has image rotation. If you mount the camera the other way around, you could rotate the image. Okay, now I'm going to show you some daytime and nighttime footage. One thing to mention, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing because YouTube compressed the file. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality and if you have used any IMOU cameras, what you think of them. If you found the video useful, leave a like. Check out the links in the description box below if you want to pick this camera up or any other IMOU camera. And please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a look at the footage. The audio you're listening to now is coming straight from the camera. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of the audio quality.